All right, guys, we are going to talk about percent increase, or as I like to call it, how to tip your wait staff. So let's take a look at this Explore. All right. So Cindy spends Saturday with her mom. Lovely. Their bill at lunch comes to $40. Cindy's mom pays the waiter a 15% gratuity. People, gratuity equals tip. What is the total amount they spend on lunch? Total amount. So I'm not looking for what is the gratuity. I'm looking for what is the total amount they spend on lunch. So here we have a percent increase. So my key information box lets me know that my original is $40. My percent, I'm adding 15%. And my new, what that total was, that's what I'm looking for. All right. When we're doing a percent increase, this is where, and you're maybe sick of me saying it, this is where I kind of like the percent bar the most, okay? So I'm going to draw my 100%. All right, and I have 0% here. I have 100% here. I have $40 here. But oh, Miss Syed, what am I going to do? Because this was a percent increase. So I can do two things. I can either find 15% of 40, add it to 40, and have my new bill, or I can simply extend this percent bar past 100. And when I do that, I always do it with a dotted line. And that leaves me at 115. That's 115%. Yes, you can have a percentage above 100, okay? So over X. And again, this percent bar has me with this like gorgeous, beautiful problem that I can set up here. 40 over 100 is equal to X over 115. All right. So I'm left with 100X is equal to, and then I'm going to do 40 times 115, which will give me 4,600. Okay. And I'm going to divide both sides by 100. Cross this out. And I'm left with X is equal to 46. So the total amount is $46. That's how much we spent on lunch. Now, Ms. Syed, is there another way we could do this? Well, there are several. I'm just going to talk about one for now. Up here. All right. Same concept here. I can do my percent times the original and get my new total, right? My total cost, right? My total that I paid for lunch. In this case, my percent is going to be 1.15. So that's the 100%, that's the $40 I paid for lunch, plus the 15% times 40, okay? And what that is going to give me is 46. I could also say 0.15 times 40, that's going to give me 6. and then I would do 40 plus, whoa, oh, I don't know how that happened. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then I would do 40 plus 6 to get that $46. So we just did that in a couple of different ways. I'm not going to overwhelm you. I'm going to continue just taking a look mostly at using the percent bar and the sort of equation. All right. So that afternoon, this is their lovely afternoon. Cindy, let's use red here. Let's use red. That afternoon, Cindy purchased a pair of boots, which had a sticker price of $85. Sticker price is the same way of saying this is the original. Cindy paid $5.95 in sales tax, and that's an increase. What was the tax rate of Cindy's purchase? All right, test demons are going to get me here because I'm not being asked the total that she paid. I'm being asked the tax rate. All right. This is where I'm going to love my percent bar, though. So I have my O, my P, and my N. My original here is $85. Okay, my percent, I do not know, but I know that it gave me a tax of $5.95. All right, so on my percent bar here, I have my 0% way down here, my 100% way up here, my $85 here. Okay, now this is new, guys. What I'm going to do, I don't really know what my sales rate was, my percent was, but I do know that what I paid in tax was $5.95 over X. As I don't know the percentage, I'm looking for the percentage. That's my variable. So I'm going to go $5.95 over X is equal to 85 over 100. So I'm going to be left with cross multiply. I'll circle that here. 85x is equal to 595 times 100 is actually going to just be 595. Okay, because I just have to move that decimal point over when I'm multiplying it by 100. And so now I'm going to do 595 divided by 85, and that gives me x is equal to 7. Now remember, I'm finding the tax rate, and I have to put the units. It's not $7. It's 7%. So the tax rate is equal to 7%. Now, again, the other way I could have done that is where I would normally have my percent times my original equals my new, right? Here I would have X, because that's not what I don't know what it is, times 85 is equal to 595, right? What I paid in 595. I would divide both sides by 85. Boop. 85. Whoops. Divided by 85. And in this case, I would get x is equal to 0.07, which is 7%. Let's take a look at another one. We're going to go down to independent practice medium. All right, and we'll talk about Azari. I wonder if I have purple. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to use purple. That's very exciting. Okay, so Azari is looking to purchase a new pair of basketball shorts costing $40. The New Jersey state tax rate is 7.5. What final price must he pay? Final price. I'm looking for the final price. Okay. So my original, my percent, and my new. So my original here is $40. My percent is an increase, 7.5%. And my new is what I'm trying to figure out. What's my price? Okay. All right. You guessed it. I'm going to put this percent bar right here. I have 0%. I have 100%. I have 40. And I'm going to extend my percent bar. I don't know what this is, but I know that this is 107.5%. Okay, so now I have 40 over 100 is equal to X over 107.5. Let's multiply. Okay, so I have 100x is equal to, I'm going to do 40 times 107.5. Gives me 4,300. Divide both sides by 100. And my X is equal to $43. So the shorts cost $43. Let's do one more. Okay, we'll do a two-parter here. Go with the lovely orange color. Okay. Miss Ing is purchasing pizzas for a school dance. Here are the places that she could order pizza from. Now, again, guys, I don't need you to recopy this. This is essentially my KIB chart. So pizzas are $11 each. That's my original. The tax is 5%. Delivery is free. Excellent. Pizzas here, $10 each. So that's my percent. $10, that's my O. That's my P. And then I have this flat delivery rate of 75 cents per pizza, which is weird, but okay. All right, so which restaurant should Miss Ing order from to minimize costs? We want to minimize costs. So she's going to choose her restaurant based on which cost the least. All right, show work to justify your answer. Again, I'm not given a ton of room here. All right, so maybe just here are the places that she could order pizza from. Okay. So here I have one pizza here. It's gonna cost, this is my 0%, this is my 100%, 11, extending it, 105. All right, so I have 11 over 100 is equal to x over 105, cross multiply, cross multiply, and I have 100 x equals, and I'm going to do 105 times 11. That gives me 1155. Divide that by 100. Divide it by 100. Again, when I divide by 100, I'm just moving in my decimal twice. Boom, boom. So pizza A is $11.55 per pizza once we add that sales tax. Here we go here. Pizza B is $10 each. Sales tax is 5%. Zip, zip, 0, 100%. That thing again. All right. 0%, 100%, 10, X, and then 105. All right, so I still have that 5% sale tax. So now I have 10 over 100 is equal to X over 105. Okay, and that is going to give me 100 X is equal to 1050, 1050. So the pizza here is going to be divided by 100. By 100, my decimal in. The pizza here is 10.50 plus 75 cents, which is going to give me 11.25. All right, so this is 11.25 per pizza. So my Domino's here is going to be the better place to go. Domino's is the cheaper choice. Also, Pizza Hut's really oily. It's just my opinion. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to stop here. We've looked at percent bars. We've looked at percent increase. Let me just show you one more way that I could have done this. I could have said, this is the same problem. We're going to skip the skipping part B for this, okay? I could have said the percent being 1.05 times 11, and that would have given me my price, which was, as we remember, $11.55. $11.55. Okay, guys, have an awesome night. Good luck with all of the work that you're doing, and I will see you soon.